Hello everyone, my name is Abby Bliss White and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to be playing with Suqqu. I got 3 of the Signature Collection eye palettes and I thought we'd have a little fun every day doing a different look with one of these quads. So I picked up number 1, number 2, and number 6, and as you can see I couldn't resist number 6. So today I'm going to create an eye look using the number 6 Suqqu eye quad. So if you are interested in seeing how I created this look, what eyeliner I decided to use with this, and my thoughts on this new collection, then let's go ahead and get started. Okay, I'm so excited. My Suqqu little palettes showed up. So I purchased 3 of them, and the signature color I have 01, 02, and 06. So we will take a peek. Ooh, gosh. So this is the signature color 01, signature color 02, and signature color 06. You guys, this is so pretty. So I'm trying to decide which one we should start with. I'm having a hard time picking out which one to start with, but I'm super attracted to number 6. I just love the fact that it's got this little bit of green tones. We've got gray, beautiful taupe. So I'm thinking we'll start with number 6. Don't worry, I am going to do an eye look with each one of these, but this one's sort of calling my name today. First, let me give you guys a swatch. Okay guys, here is a swatch of number 6 here. So it's got this really kind of pretty gray, beautiful green here, kind of like a celadon, and taupe kind of brown cocoa shade. And then we've got like a highlighter little color here, kind of in a beautiful shimmery, almost champagne, but a little bit cooler there. So the mix of kind of some warm and a little bit of cool is really kind of making me love this eye quad. So we're going to try that this morning. I am going to start with this brown shade here, and you guys, I've already put on complexion, bronzer, blush, and I thought we would just focus on these eyes. So I'm just taking a little bit of this on kind of a fluffy brush, and then we're going to start to create a little crease here. I'm just going to kind of create, that might have been a little heavy-handed, but we'll blend everything out. Okay guys, I just started to lay down a little bit of color with that taupe shade. Then I'm going to come into this beautiful green tone here. I'm going to place that all over my lid. It has kind of a really pretty kind of metallic, maybe not metallic, but it's got some nice reflection to it. So I'm going to take kind of a flat brush. This is the Sonia G Worker Pro. And I'm just going to place a little bit of this green down on that lid. I'm going to take a big fluffy brush here, and I'm just going to kind of soften everything here. Then I'm going to come into this beautiful gray tone, and I'm going to kind of come into the outer V, and then I also want to use it as a little bit of an eyeliner. Then I'm going to use an angled eyeliner brush. This is from Shantakai. And I'm just going to take a little bit of this and I'm going to press a little bit of that gray tone into the lash line. I'm going to take whatever's left and I'm going to come close to the lash line down here. I'm going to use a fluffy brush again, you guys. I'm just going to kind of do a soft little blending because we've got kind of a little smoky green gray eye going on. The shadows blend pretty effortlessly, and when I first swatched it I didn't find that the pigmentation was super deep, but then when I put it on my eyes using a brush I definitely feel like the pigmentation is there. So pretty. I'm going to use one of the little brushes that came with it. I'm going to dip it right in this beautiful kind of shimmery highlighter, and I'm going to use a little bit of that right in that little eye area there, the little inner corner. Has a little bit of lightness. And then just taking that and using it to highlight the brow bone. Okay, I'm going to close my eyes. This is what I've created so far on the eyes. So this is definitely kind of a smoky, kind of gray, green kind of eye look. And I decided to pull out this olive brocade. I just picked this one up. This is from Shantakai. And it's got this beautiful kind of just exactly what it's described, kind of an olive tone, but it also has a little touch of gold in it, I'm finding, and it really looks beautiful on the eyes. So you could definitely pull out, like going a little bit more with the grays. I also could play with charcoal or slate colored eyeliner, but I kind of want to bring out a little bit more green. So I'm going to come in and I'm going to line the upper and lower lash line with a little bit of olive brocade. It might help if I have a mirror. I'm going to intensify the upper lash line just very slightly close to the lash line, so not in the waterline. And I'm going to smudge that out. I'm going to smudge this out. Here. Okay guys, this is so far what it looks like. Let's go put on mascara and kind of finish off the eye look. And this is the look that I created using number 6 from the Signature collection. And I really like this. This is a little bit different. I'm sure I have some of these colors, but not all combined. But I'm really loving this for kind of a smoky everyday eye, bringing out a little bit of that green tones, a little bit of that gray, and I'm just loving this quad. So I'm going to just quickly finish off with a lipstick. I went ahead and pulled out kind of my classic. This is Adrian. This is from Chanel. And you guys, this has been several repeat purchases. And here is what it looks like. And this is just one of my favorite kind of classic nude colors. It's just fantastic. When in doubt, this is the one that I will pull out when I'm trying to kind of create a little bit more of a nude lip, when I'm doing a bit more of a smoky eye. So you guys, this is the look using number 6. We are going to continue to play. I'm going to continue to do little eye looks. I'm going to use number 1 and number 2. These were just right up my alley. You guys were like, you have to try these new Suqqu eye palettes. Okay guys, that is the final look for the day. Yep, I'm kind of loving the Suqqu eye quads. I'm going to continue to play, but so far I absolutely love number 6. I just think it has a really pretty contrast with that pretty green. I love this color of gray. And these are just so pretty. So I can create another kind of smoky eye look next time, focusing a little bit more on that beautiful kind of gray tone there. But so far, I have to say, really thrilled with this purchase, and I will be back with another Suqqu eye look coming up very soon. So I hope you guys have a fantastic day and weekend, and I will talk to you guys soon.